You know, I've never really been much of a before and after kind of guy. I know the whole HGTV type industry is based on the big reveal and the instant payoff that comes from a trashy before, then a glamorous after shot. Well, being the guy doing the work, I never really cared about the before. I know it's garbage, that's why it's gotta go. And I only ever cared how it turned out. So it took quite a bit of digging to find some images of how this bathroom looked before I got started on it. I didn't want to make a renovation video either, so I just put my head down and got the work done. That's how we went from stained linoleum and blue walls with minty green accents to a much more modern, clean, and well-insulated upstairs bathroom. We got rid of a bunch of built-in storage and moved the shower from one corner to another so that we could relocate the sink and gain a lot more counter space. Now, all that's left to do is build a nice new vanity back in this corner. So let's make it happen. Well guys, this was obviously a different type of editing than I usually do, but I figured I didn't need the voiceover for this one because I've done all of these types of projects in the past. So if you found that you wanted more information, you want to know how to do it yourself, I will have links down in the description to frame and panel drawers and mounting hardware and mounting slides and how to make face frames and all that kind of stuff. Links to more detailed videos down below. The one thing I do want to point out is that I spent a lot of time at the beginning of this making sure everything was level and square and plumb because the walls were put in way out of square by some dummy. And I had to account for getting the foundation of this perfect so that it was easy to get everything to run square and run right and, you know, not bind up in the opening and closing and stuff like that. So you don't notice it, but the back is out of square and the front is square. Now, if you look down really close here at the trim, I actually had to taper this one piece of trim. It's wider at the back than it is at the front because this whole wall is wider at the back than it is at the front. And if I didn't do that, then this drawer wouldn't actually open. So that was all about clearance for this drawer. So that'll do it for this one, guys. Thank you very much for watching. The best way to support my channel is to obviously like and subscribe and do all that, but also use the links and the coupon codes below. Go check out the discounts that I have. You do that, it helps you and it helps me. And in the next video, we're actually gonna go over how I made this epoxy countertop to go on top of the vanity. So come back soon. It's already filmed. I just have to get my butt in the chair and do some editing. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.